The Cricut. This is the Cricut Maker machine. And let me tell you, that is the top of the line. This is one 10 times the cutting power, industrial strength, but we have put together an incredible package for you today and a value that is our smart deal. What does that mean? Second only to a today's special is a smart deal. $359.95. We're gonna show you all that's included with it. 6 flex payments on this, but first, Miss Anna Griffins is going to show us how this thing works, because it really is like the magic machine.
It's doing the thing that you don't realize that this machine can do. It's the ultimate smart cutting machine, but it'll also draw at the same time. The Cricut Maker it's an incomparable experience if there's someone in your life that loves to make things and loves to craft, because not only can you cut a variety of materials, say we can cut fabric with this machine, and what that means is we can precision cut fabric with this machine because it has a rotary blade. It has a fine point blade that can cut a variety of materials like stencils, and when you're thinking about corrugated paper, these are in addition to regular cardstock. Look at this faux leather, felt. You can cut chipboard. You can even cut, there's a knife blade where you can cut birch wood with this. So the Cricut Maker is, well, what's so famous about it is that it has an adaptive tool system right here, where in the A and B clamp, it just drew for me and cut the front of a card, which is so incredible that now I can actually color this in, create my own Christmas cards, like I could watercolor these. Alice, if I wanted to.
That's pretty much better than professional. I mean, look at that design.
Well, the precision, so like that's what's amazing about this is I picked a design out of 100,000 designs in the free software that runs the machine. I drew my card, I colored it in, I made the envelope, I made everything that I wanted to do for this one project. And let me just tell you, the sky's the limit when you get to the entire range of projects in Design Space. But should we talk about what this comes with? Because it comes with so much.
It is like a super size. For the superpower, we have supersized the entire configuration here. You're gonna get everything. You've got all your tools, everything.
You do. So you're starting with, like, what's so amazing about the Cricut Maker is that it's the top of the line of the Cricut Explorer family of products. And it has that adaptive tool system where you can make this a cutting machine, you can make it an engraving machine, you can make it a fabric cutting machine. But today, what we've done is we've put together a bundle of things that, for that crafter in your life, the things that you need right out of the box, because it's gonna walk you through being able to make a project, and the materials come with the machine, but you're getting 20 sheets of 12 by 12 vinyl, and this is a big sticker paper. It has an adhesive backing. You can apply it to most surfaces. You're also getting premium vinyl. This is the new textured vinyl from Cricut, which
beautiful.
is copper and bronze and black. These are 12 by 24 sheets, plus you're getting the entire set of weeding tools. And I thought that was pretty neat, where you're getting 5 tools to take away the cutting, the exterior, the outline,
out, right.
Yes, of the cuts that you make with the machine. Plus you're getting an everyday iron-on sampler, which when you're making an iron-on, like a t-shirt or an apron, which I have to show you, you want that iron-on to work with. So you're getting everything you need right out of the box, plus 2 mats to work with.
You're getting materials, and you're getting tools, and you're getting the superpower, because this is the Cricut Maker. This is the one that does it all. This is the one with 10 times the cutting power, $359.95. Again, 6 flex payments of $59.99, and it even comes in pretty colors as well. So let me just show you the choices that you're gonna be able to make. Right up here is blue. It is a gorgeous blue, like an aqua blue. So you can choose the blue. Right next to that is going to be the, what color is this? Anna, do you know what color this is?
Lilac.
That's the lilac. That is not, oh, there it is. I couldn't read it.
Yeah.
Lilac's right down here. Here's your champagne. The champagne is absolutely gorgeous. In addition to that, you have your mint. And then right up here, you're also gonna have your rose color as well. So beautiful colors. It is a sleek, beautiful machine. But on top of being sleek and being beautiful, you get your tools, you get your materials, and you get the ability to do virtually anything that your crazy mind can imagine, which I know yours can imagine a lot.
Well, as a creative human, and we are all creative, that's number one. That's what's amazing about Cricut, because it makes us look professional, feel professional when we're crafting, even for the very first time. Straight out of the box, you can make a project. But if you're somebody that's seasoned like me, I've been a designer for 27 years, I can upload my own designs to this Design Space software, which is free. It runs the machine. It runs it from your tablet, your phone, your computer, and you're able to choose from thousands of materials to make the projects that you want to make. And so I just chose that material. I'm going to change out the blade. This is the fine point blade that comes with the machine. And because the software is so intuitive, it tells me that I'm going to need a scoring tool for I'm gonna make a box. I'm one of those people that loves to participate in the company Christmas swap. We have a cookie swap every single year. And what I'm doing, and I'll take this from you so it doesn't hit you. I told it I'm gonna cut cardstock. I'm actually making this box. So this is a 2-piece setup box with a little acetate window. I've cut the embellishments with the machine. I've cut the box bottom out of metallic paper, cardstock, and then now I can swap those cookies, in style.
I just wrap the box and give it as a gift. It's so cute.
Yes.
It can be empty. It's so cute.
There are hundreds and hundreds of ready-to-make projects in Design Space, and that's what's really amazing about it. So when you see, you can see my screen. Okay, good. What you'll do, you'll get the machine out of the box, and it's gonna walk you through everything that you need to set up the machine. And it's telling me in the middle of that I need to switch my blade again. So I went from the scoring wheel to the scoring tip to the fine point blade, and then we press the Cricut button, and it's gonna check to make sure I did what it said. And if we can go back to the software, which I think is just so amazing, I'm using an app on a tablet. So if you've got an Android tablet, an iPad, whatever it is, this is the software that is going to drive the machine. Is it a Cricut app? It's called Design Space, yes, from Cricut. And these are hundreds of ready-to-make projects that you can choose at the press of a button, and the design is already there, meaning that it's going to tell the machine exactly what to do, which is incredible. And it's thinking about it right now for some reason, but a candle holder, a t-shirt, that personalized project for the cheer team, it's all going to happen so easily. Oh, and it just told me that my cut was complete. And so, Alice, this is what's really remarkable. Okay, so
this is crazy.
I think that I could have sized the box to be smaller if I wanted to do less cookies, right? The mats work like this, so the material goes on what is a sticky sort of surface. And like I said, if there's somebody in your life that loves to make things, this machine is going to make you a pro in just a matter of minutes. Now, what it's done is that it has cut the tabs for the box, okay? So I have tabs all the way around.
Just so smart.
And it's already scored for me, and then all I do is fold along the scoring lines to create the box top. And then I would do the same thing for the bottom. And then I can make multiples of this. All I have to do is tell the machine that I want to make 10 boxes. It will cut that acetate for me. It will cut everything about this all in the press of the button.
A lot
of fun, right?
And I think it's the quality that you get. I mean, it truly creates these beautiful professional quality results that you're gonna get. The precision is incredible. And the simplicity with which you're able to do virtually anything. I mean, and everything is included.
So one of the things that when I picked that project that it was just thinking about, I would love to show the iPad. So because what's important about the Design Space software is that all of the cuts are divided into mats by color. And so really there's no pressure and depth settings, that nothing is difficult about this. And I can choose to cut that pink mat for that project. It does go right to the canvas for me, and just where we started, that all of that is the click of a button and you're choosing. But in categories in this Design Space app that I'm using, it says free for Cricut Maker, and there are 50 projects in here with images that come with the machine.
Wow.
So the library is already off to being highly populated just with the 50 projects and the images inside the Cricut Maker 50 projects. And it's everything from sewing to card crafting, design wreaths for home decor, quilting, there we go, cards, and all kinds of categories of projects. So that's already coming right out of the box.
$59.99 on your credit card and you get this home, and you will be able to do endless projects. I think more and more we want to personalize things. We don't want to just get the same old cookie cutter things. This is the way that you're going to be able to express yourself no matter what medium you want to work in, whether it's vinyl, whether it's a little bit of wood, whatever it might be, you're going to be able to do it with this. And look at what we're including for you. You're getting not only all your tools, you're getting your materials as well, so you can get started as soon as you get this home. Let me go through the colors again. This is the champagne. The champagne is actually selling the fastest right now. I love that it has the storage for your tools right up here on the top. Very small, very sleek, chic design on this. So you have your champagne. This is going to be your turquoise blue right up here on the top. In addition to that, you have lilac. So the pastel colors you use with this, Anna, are so beautiful. This is your rose, and then you also have your mint green down there. $359.95, and truly, the smart deal with everything included for you. We'll go through that again in just a minute. What are you working on now?
So I'm cutting a piece of that brand new textured vinyl. And it's so pretty because it looks like leather when you look at it up close. So I decided to make a little pencil case and personalize it for an event that I have every year. And it's called Create. And what's happened is that I've cut it with the machine, and I've weeded the cut, and then I transfer it to you transfer it just to the surface of your choice, and then you remove that. This is a strong grip transfer tape, and now my project is completely personalized. It's ready to create, and at the same time, it's actually done from my cut. And so, because we have all the fancy weeding tools, this is where I'll just weed it on the mat so that you can see. This is what you're doing with those fancy tools. This is what, you know, a lot of times you buy something and you go, oh, I don't have everything I need. Because we've given you this entire set of weeding tools, you now have, you have the important part about what's, you know, when you're crafting, you need to take away, see the intricate cutting. Mm-hmm. Now I can apply it to my project. I
mean, imagine what you're going to be able to do, whether it's putting the name of a college on there. You could do so many different things with this, personalize so many different things, because you have the superpower when it comes to the Cricut Maker. I mean, that's the beauty of what you're getting here. The ability to work with virtually any kind of substance that you want to, but the precision, the professionalism that the Cricut makes so simple, so easy. Vinyl, Ironon, the tool bundle, all included for you on a smart deal of $359.95. That is so cute.
Isn't this cute?
Doesn't it make all the difference in the world when you personalize it so simply?
It really does. And the fun thing is about being able to design with this machine in a way that I mean, it's doing all this beautiful, Sue says, eat, drink, and enjoy, right? That's what we're all about to do next week, right? We're all going to enjoy ourselves for the holidays. We want to make something inspiring for our friends. Maybe this says powerful. Isn't that gorgeous. Now that's with vinyl, so everything that we were just talking about, you're getting the materials to do that. The machine is going to be able to cut iron-on in just seconds. And iron-on, this is what happens when you iron on a design that is available in Design Space. I didn't have to draw that. All I had to do was pick it.
Look at the beautiful